Yoga karmasu kaushalam. Yoga is skill in action. Bhagavad Gita 2:50. Skill, not in how much we accomplish, but in how we move through the world, with grace, with awareness, with reverence for the sacred rhythm of effort and rest. Tell me, dear seeker, when was the last time you truly rested? Not collapsed from exhaustion, not distracted by screens, but rested fully, deeply, like a child sleeps in its mother's arms. We live in an age that worships busyness. We wear fatigue like a badge of honor, as if our worth is measured in burnt-out hours. But the body whispers its protests, the headaches, the sleepless nights, the quiet despair of, is this all there is? And yet, centuries ago, on a sacred battlefield, the divine charioteer Krishna spoke words that ring truer today than ever. What is night for all beings is the time of awakening for the self-controlled, and the time of awakening for all beings is night for the sage. We have inverted the natural order. We are awake when we should rest, and asleep to our true nature. Arjuna's crisis on Kurukshetra was not just about war. It was about the fundamental human struggle. How to act in the world without being consumed by it. Krishna's teachings reveal three profound truths about work and rest. 1. The illusion of control. We strain and strive, believing everything depends on us. But Krishna reminds Arjuna, you have control over action alone, never over its fruits. Like a farmer who plants seeds but cannot command the rain. Do your part, then surrender. The rhythm of the cosmos. Day yields to night. Summer fades into winter. Even Lord Brahma, the creator, rests during cosmic dissolution. Yet we, mere mortals, defy these cycles, pretending we can burn endlessly without renewal. 3. The highest form of detachment. Krishna doesn't condemn work. He condemns enslavement to work. Perform your duty equipoised, abandoning all attachment to success or failure. This equanimity is yoga. True freedom lies in doing what must be done, then resting without guilt. How do we translate this ancient wisdom into our frantic lives? Begin with these sacred practices. The pause of presence. By starting any task, take 3 conscious breaths. Whisper, Krishna, let this work be an offering. This simple act transforms mundane action into worship. 2. The art of sacred intervals. Every 90 minutes, honor the body's natural rhythm. Stand and stretch like a tree reaching for sunlight. Drink water as if receiving prasad. Close your eyes for 1 minute of silent gratitude. These are not breaks from work. They are part of the work. The 3rd, the evening yagna. As day ends, light a candle and reflect. What served the divine today? What can I release before sleep? Write these in a journal, not as tasks, but as sacred witness to your journey. The Gita never promises a life without labor, but it offers something far greater, a soul that cannot be exhausted. You are not the grinding of the wheel, but the space through which it turns. Not the flame that flickers, but the eternal light behind it. This week, when the world demands more, remember Krishna's whisper. The yogi is greater than the ascetic, greater even than the knowledgeable one. Be a yogi. Rest, then, as spiritual practice. Work as sacred service. And in the balance between them, find liberation. If this wisdom touched you, share it with one wearied heart. For more sacred pauses in a hurried world, join our community with the bell below.